Papa and they're saying Papa, Papa. Till the last day.
Also will keep, but no village.
Oh, you used to beat in Krishna Bharati, na? The same. Hello friends, how are you all? I hope you all are doing great. And today is Saturday. We came early from school because it was a half day, and now Ashwini has come to take me, and right now we are going to meet one of our colleague. Actually, we had a group of 4 colleagues, out of which 3 of us left the school last year, and where we are going to meet, she's still working there. So after leaving the school, it is the first time we are going to reunite like that, and we are super excited because whenever we meet each other, we had a gala time. And right now we are searching her house. Actually, it is nearby, but we don't know the house. So from a past 15 minutes, we're actually looking and searching her house. At last, we got the house. And please keep watching this video. You'll come to know that how strong our bond is.
Papa and they're saying Papa, Papa.
Papa, still your work will not get over. If you get a 5 o'clock also, still you are late, na? So now we reached her house and meet my colleague. She is Gayatri ma'am. She is a wonderful and lovely human being, and along with her Ashwini is there. So we were very close to each other. Whenever we used to meet, we got a big smile in our face, and right now we are actually teasing each other and sharing our experiences in our schools. So, and here Gayatri ma'am, she started preparing the snacks for us. So this is the rich guard, and before, I have never tried the bhaji of rich guard, so it is for the first time for me to see this one, and I will let you know how the taste was. So we said not to prepare anything, but no, she said that for the first time you all had come, so let me cook something for you people. So here we all are, and right now, later on we'll go to kitchen. Why you had so many glasses?
Ayo, coffee from morning to evening, 10 to 12 glasses.
Daily?
Oh, daily will come.
Oh.
Once at Namale or Bedagate takes a coffee 2-3 times evening.
Ma'am, ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೆಳಿಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಆರಾಮ್ಸೆ ಕೂತ್ಕೋಬೋದಿತ್ತು.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಮಾತಾಡ್ತಾರೆ ಮಾತಾಡೀನಿ. ನಾವು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಿರೋದು ಬೇರೆ. ಏನು ನಾನು ಇದೇ ಒಂದೇ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋದು, ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ.
ಅಯ್ಯೋ, ಇನ್ನು ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕಿತ್ತು?
ಟಾಕಿಂಗ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಲಾಫಿಂಗ್
without reason we laugh.
ಎಷ್ಟು ಇವ್ರಲ್ಲ.
So here we 3 are in the kitchen. Now Gayatri ma'am is preparing snacks for us, and somehow we have managed to talk with each other in these 5 years because our friendship is from past 5 years. Ashwini, she can manage English and Kannada, but I don't know Kannada much. Gayatri ma'am knows Kannada, English and Hindi, so she can able to manage, and somehow I can manage. So sometimes Gayatri ma'am was talking in Kannada with Ashwini, Ashwini was talking Kannada with Gayatri ma'am, I was talking Hindi with Gayatri ma'am, then I was talking English with Ashwini ma'am. Like that somehow we managed. So the situation was always funny whenever we meet and talk each other.
25 ಏನಪ್ಪ ಕಾಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ನಗರ ಇದೇನೆ.
ಹಾ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್, ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್ ನಾವು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಗೋಲ್ಡ್ ವಿನ್ನರ್.
I think I will show this kind of a rate and then I will not eat it. You will cook and show the rates now.
No, because we used to use na gold winner.
Then how much money I take?
What about your oil brand?
No, one bite will take. Oh my god, that was costly.
Wanda, no. You do. My
I'm
friends.
giving pose who is not doing any work.
ಹಿಂಗ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದಾ? ಹಿಂಗು
कुछ भी जो भी मैं को ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
ನೀವು ಹಿಂಗ ತಿಂತೀರಾ?
ಇಲ್ಲ,
ಬೇಡವಾ?
ಹಾಕಿ.
ज़्यादा मिर्च नहीं है. मिर्च ज़्यादा नहीं जाएगा.
ज़्यादा नहीं.
ज़्यादा नहीं है. Oh, you don't know Hindi ना?
ज़्यादा नहीं है.
Hey, something baje. You said the baje. I didn't understand. Baje means
बजे?
2 baje something. You said
ಹೌದಾ?
baje is not kinda baje.
Oh, I messaged 2 बजे.
ಬಜೆ ಕ್ಲೌಡ್ ಬರ್ತಿದಾರಾ? ಬಜೆ ಅಂತ.
2 बजे, 2 o'clock बजे.
Oh, but after like crash. Oh, 2 baje only. My son used to use no, then I understood.
ಲೇಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Soda ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಾ?
I didn't teach Ashwini. She doesn't know to cook.
Oh,
No, Ashwini. You know.
Yeah.
Next time we'll go to Ashwini house.
Yes, come.
Then what you'll prepare?
You are there not to prepare.
Fruit, rice flour.
Rice flour. We should
Rice
add. You
flour
added
and,
there? You added rice flour into that.
Rice
How many
flour and,
spoons?
hot oil. 1 2
Achha. We don't use these two things.
ನಾವ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಹಾಕ್ತಿವಿ ಗೊತ್ತೇನೋ ಆಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಇವನ್ನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಲಸ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಮೇಲೆ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ.
ಹೌದಾ ಇರ್ಬೋದು ನಾವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಬರ್ಬೋದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ
ಟಂಗ್ ಹಾಕ್ತಾರೆ ಅಮ್ಮ ಅದು ಹೊಡಿತೀನಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಮಾಡಲ್ಲ ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ये बहुत तीखा नहीं होगा इतना ज़्यादा मिर्च.
ಚಿಕನ್
ಅವಾಗ್ಲೇನೆ ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ಅವರು ಜಾಸ್ತಿ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ.
एक खारा बरते माँ.
ನೋ
ಸಾಕು
खारा बरत.
ಸ್ಪೈಸಿ
ಕಲರ್
अश्विनी माँ खारा बरते. खारा बरते.
ಖಾರ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ.
Mix more, no? Then only it will fluffy. The batter, no?
ಸ್ಟಿಲ್ ವಾಟರ್ ಇನ್ ಇಟ್
No. We need to beat. Beat, Ashwini. How you used to beat in Visha Bharti? The same. Yeah, what are you doing? Beat fast. Beat. Huh.
ಐ ಆಮ್ ಲರ್ನರ್
How long you will learn that?
ಟಿಲ್ ದ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಡೇ.
ನಮಗಿಂತ ನಿಮ್ಮಿಬ್ರ ಕೈಲೇ ಮೇಕ್ ವರ್ಕ್.
It is shaking. Achha. Oh, this manner the color comes in the market. Bhaji. Same. So you have it.
So no, nowadays no aloe vera.
Aloe vera bhaji also no has come here. So.
ಇದನ್ನೇ ಸೇಮ್ ಈ ತರ ಕಟ್
When you come to my house, no, I prepare.
aloe vera ಮತ್ತೆ ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪತ್ರೆ.
Don't they do. They do.
ದೊಡ್ಡ ಪತ್ರೆ okay.
They do.
ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಹಾಕಿ ಈ ಕಡೆ ತೆಗ್ದು.
So when you come to know, I'll give Ashwini to you aloe vera bhaji.
You also take
I will take. I'll take bhaji. No, sweet I have. I prepared. Please, you all have. You all have actually. Please have.
take.
Ashwini, take no. It is good for your health.
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಏನು
You added some water, right, ma'am? You added some water
before
here.
water, hot water.
Huh.
The here powder we
What is the powder put?
hot water.
So now we are in the main hall and we are having our snacks and coffee. So here I tried the rich gourd pakoda for the first time, but I like that one. So next time even in my house also I'm going to try that. And in Gayatri ma'am house we spent 3 hours, but the time passes like anything, and our talk still didn't get over. We are still smiling, laughing and discussing many silly topics and our experiences. So I wish I could have shared those topics with you, but I'm very sorry, these are very very personal. And no, now it's time to go back because we are getting late. Very soon I wish that again we will meet, we will reunite like that. Those videos again I will share with you. And I'll just say that any relationship, to maintain any relationship, it needs trust and loyalty. So maybe this is the main pillar of our friendship, that it is still lasting.
ನೋ ವಿಲೇಜಲ್ಲಿ
ಅಡಿಕೆ ವಿಳ್ಯದೆಲೆ.
Sure. Thank you. Thank you.
ಅಶ್ವಿನಿ ತಡೆಗೆ ನಿಮಗೂ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ.
ಮ್ಯಾಮ್ ನಾನು ಸುಮ್ಮನೆ ನಾನು ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಬಂದಾಗ
ಇಷ್ಟು ಸುಮ್ಮನಿರಪ್ಪ.
So now it's time to say goodbye. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, like, share and subscribe. Till then, bye bye.